Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to replace words in Google Docs. You will start by opening the Google document. There you can see the existing words. Now open the Edit menu and click on the option, Find and Replace. Here in the Find field, enter the desired word. You can see that it is highlighted in the document. Then in Replace With, enter the new word. You can see that you have some options to customize the experience. Finally, you can replace one by one or all the words at the same time. Close the window and you will see that the word was replaced. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.